I'm going to move my head lower so we can see the barrel, and I'm going to move forward. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here and Cozmo. In this video I want to cover several things: remote control Cozmo, the Explorer app, the Cozmo app, eBay stuff, 3D printing for Cozmo, all this in the video. Like I said before, if you have a 3D printer, you can go on like thingiverse.com or CG Trader. These are two websites I go very often. And you can find cool stuff you can print. For example, this little house I designed for Cozmo. It's on thingiverse.com for free. I have also the castle here for Vector. That was a lot of work in Fusion 360, so actually I'm charging $3 on CG Trader for the castle. But if you don't have a 3D printer, you can go on eBay, and for example, I have here the toxic waste removal playset. It's only $9. So if you don't have a 3D printer, like I said, you can find cool stuff on eBay, and well, like this thing here. So all you need to do, and before I do the remote control demo, you need to remove the fork. Look at this. This is the stock fork, and you just pry it open with your fingernails, and then you can attach the removal tool. Look at that here, for your toxic waste. And this is the barrel of toxic waste. So obviously the person who is selling this on eBay for $9 plus shipping, I forgot to mention, he has a two-color 3D printer, so he can do two different colors, two layers, as you can see here, and the same for the fork. So I'm going to use the Explorer mode, and I'm going to connect Cozmo live. I mean, the app is so great that I'm not afraid it's not going to connect. It does connect all the time. So I'm going to open Cozmo. You have to have Cozmo on his charger. I'm just going to show that to you here without too much light. And version 3.4, which is the latest Cozmo app. You tap on connect, and look at that. That's the beauty of Cozmo. He works all the time. He's waking up. I did not do any editing. Oh, I set the volume to high also, so we can hear him quite well. Now he's coming, and it says at the bottom here, Cozmo is looking around. You can see here at the bottom. So I'm going to start recording the screen, so you will see what Cozmo sees with his camera. Yes, buddy, we're going to look at your camera. So you go to Explorer mode, and actually this is the main screen here. And like I said, I'm recording the screen at the same time. So Explorer mode, and now we see what Cozmo sees. Continue. It tells you basically to be careful about edges on the first page, right? It's remote control, but now you see on the screen, but I'm going to show you right here also. So this is what you see. Yes, Cozmo. You have, first of all, night vision. So as you can see, the screen turns green to simulate night vision goggles. You can control here the head or the forklift, so you can have the move. You can see, as you can see here, the head is moving up and down. And actually, you see that on the side camera, which is good. And the lift, we can lift our tool, as you can see. And over here, you can move forward or backwards. You hear the beep when he backs up. This is funny. I mean, I said that before. Enki did an amazing job with the app, really. So even this detail of going back and the beep. This is funny. Now, you can also turn, tilting your tablet or your phone. Look at that. This is cool. Now you just need to align with our wastebasket disposal. I'm going to move my head lower so we can see the barrel, and I'm going to move forward, align at the same time, and we catched it. I'm going to move up, and there we go, back up. Guys, this is cool. I mean, for my kids used to play, they're a bit older now, but they used to play a lot with this feature, and to see what Cozmo sees is very cool. So we can go forward, we can turn this way, and we can go back full speed. Actually, the back is slower and full speed forward. He's all excited to go fast. And let's back up a bit. So we'll stop here. So guys, I'm going to take the fork down and back up. There you go. So amazing app. Like, how many times did I say this already? And this is cool here. I like this little disposal, I should say toxic disposal. It's actually radioactive. It has a radioactive logo on it, as you can see. So it's more than toxic. Toxic is usually for chemicals. So highly recommended. $9 plus shipping. You can have fun. You can use the Explorer mode like I just did. And I'm going to get out of Explorer mode. And sorry, I was going to say Vector. And now Cozmo is free to move. So he's going to explore. Yeah. And guys, I said this little forklift here is a tight fit. There is no screw. So once you remove the existing one, you just press with your fingers to fit this new lift attachment. So thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions about Cozmo or even Vector or the cool 3D stuff you can do, have a look at my playlist, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, guys.